Well, as you can see, sometimes just putting the tip in isn't enough, so we're going to chop some more up. Alright, so the homie over at Carts Baits says he uses crayons for his colors, so I've never tried that before, so let's go ahead and chop the tip off of this, throw it into our cooked plastisol here, and see what happens. Don't really know how much to use, so I'm just going to chop the tip off. Here's the beautiful, beautiful crayon piece. Throw that in. Let's let it melt, and then we're going to stir it up. I guess I should have chopped it up a little bit better. But let's let that melt, and we'll take a look. Well, as you can see, sometimes just putting the tip in isn't enough, so we're going to chop some more up. Let's throw these pieces in there. Wait till they melt, and then we're going to stir it up. I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to chop a little bit more up. Alright, I missed I missed the cup completely. Stir it up. Let's let that melt, and then we're going to go ahead and shoot the molds. I'm going to throw this in a microwave to nuke it for about 30 more seconds. We got it blazing hot. Give it one more quick little stir here. Make sure all the crayon melted down. Into the injector. And shoot the mold. Always make sure to top it off. Oh my god. I didn't have it locked correctly. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's let those cool off and take a look. And here's the final result on these. What do you guys think? So for this one, as you can see, crayon didn't melt down all the way. Operator error on that one. But if you're ever in a pinch and run out of colors or pigments, colorants, whatever you want to call them, go snag some of your kids' crayons and use those.